Sunday morning, spectacular weather, and of course an outing with the Porsche Club of Cape Town. What more could you ask for? A club that's been around for 46 years, in its 47th year, started in 1976, and here we are. So you bought the car, now you want to experience the car. I happened to pick up a car from Millstock. It's a beautiful example of a 997 turbo, and what do I do with it once I have it? How do I know how to use it properly? How do I know how to kind of get the full experience of that vehicle and ownership of that vehicle? What happens should I need parts for that vehicle? What happens should I need anything that I want to know about the car? Well, the good news is in Cape Town, they've got a Porsche Club, and we're here today to find out more about what they do, and importantly, get to experience some of the glory that is a Porsche car. Pierre Goos, the Vice President of the Porsche Club. Pierre, what a great day out for the Porsche Club.
Yeah, it's been a lovely day. I mean, what a view.
Incredible view. Tell us a little about the Porsche Club in Cape Town. I mean, you guys have been around now for 45 years. It's a very special club.
Yeah, it's a place for people to get together, do a little bit of business together. Meet guys that love cars, that are enthusiastic about cars, guys that want to go out there and show everybody what they got and what they've accomplished in life. And that's what the club is all about. Basically, the camaraderie, people getting together. That's the big thing there, yeah.
Often you buy a car like this and you don't often get shown how to use it properly, how to drive it. There's a great sense of community within the Porsche, the Porsche world, and you guys have brought it all together. It's a place where not only you can meet and socialize, but also chat about, various cars and how to, more importantly, use them.
Not only use them, but how to look after them.
Yes.
We do a track day twice a year, so the guys get taught how to ride the cars. When you got a passion about something and you get a couple of guys together, and the passion just grows and it gets bigger, and the brand gets a bit bigger. And I think that's a very nice pull together of all the flavors. Yeah?
Pierre, what you've managed to do as well is you've managed to bring a club like this up to date in terms of the technology that's available for clubs like the Porsche Club. You've kind of brought them into the new era of clubs, and it's been embraced very well in the Porsche Club.
So the Porsche Club itself started getting a little bit older, and we started trying to get younger people involved. And it's very different when you're a youngster, you don't have the money for cars. So we've decided not to say you have to have a car. We've told the guys, you don't have the car, join the Porsche Club, we will put you in a car, we'll take you out with guys that have got Porsches, and they need to work towards getting a Porsche one day. And that's what it's a part of what we do. We do very big charity organizations, and we give back as much as we can. And you must always remember that the guys that are driving these cars haven't only paid the taxes on these cars, but they paid the taxes on all money that they build up to get these cars. So that's also part of something that you must always remember. No one's done it by luck, and no one's done it by you're so lucky you got a Porsche. Right?
Thanks for having me today. This has been incredible to meet the guys, to meet the family, because that's exactly what it is. It's not just the club, it's a Porsche family that get together and do this, and I'm really grateful to have been a part of that family today.
I'm so glad you're a big petrol head, and I'm so glad you're here.
Cheslin?
Yes.
Thanks so much for having me on this outing. It was incredible, my first outing with the Porsche Club, and there's some incredible cars here. And it's lovely to see you navigating this. Tell us a little bit more about this GTS.
I think you need to ask my husband all the ins and outs about it, but it's a 911 GTS, a Targa, 2017. Goes like a bomb, love it to bits. Yeah, that's it.
Perfect day for a run like this. Awesome. What a great club.
Awesome, yeah, and the people are awesome. I mean, really, we've just slotted in here in the last few years, and everybody's very friendly, and it's a great club to be in.
John, thanks again for the time today. Porsche Club of Cape Town, an incredible club. How long have you been a member for?
Sure, I've been a member since about 2001, so 21 years actually.
Okay.
Can't believe it.
And you've had a number of phenomenal cars, but this, the GT3, and then this, guys, the RS version, this is the one that's probably closest to your heart.
But yes, the GT3 is a phenomenal car, and as I say, once you've had one, you just, you know, don't look at anything else. It's a very involving car, hugely rewarding to the driver. You have to have some sort of knowledge of car control to be able to drive these cars at pace, and that's what makes them so good. You feel every bit of the movement on all four wheels. Every little action of the steering wheel or input is, you get rewarded, you get a reaction from the car. The sound, the traction is amazing. It's just really, really a phenomenal car.
The club is an incredible club. I mean, it's not only about fellow Porsche enthusiasts getting together and, you know, helping one another with around track days, etc. But it's a hell of a nice community of people that come together to do more than just talk cars. They give back. I think about Porsche's involvement with charities and various organizations in the Western Cape. It's really an incredible, you know, club to be a part of.
Absolutely. We sponsor certain charities whenever we organize runs away. We have overnighters. Obviously, before we go there, the committee, you know, finds out from the local community, you know, what charities they have in place in terms of education, child support, or all those kinds of things. We are really a good bunch of people.
Yeah.
You know, they come from all spheres of life. You don't necessarily have to own a Porsche to join the club. You can be an enthusiast, and you can join the club. And yes, Porsche Club Cape Town is the only one that has the clubhouse on the circuit. We also sponsor the Porsche Club Cape straight at Killarney. So yeah, very good.
Love it. Listen, I feel really an extra special day for me, feeling a part of the Porsche family today, and that's exactly what you feel like with the Porsche Club Cape Town. You feel like you're part of the family. So, Jean, to you and the team, to you and Pierre and Lawrence and everybody, just a huge thanks for having Car Magazine on board with you today.
Thank you, and awesome having you with us, Ryan.